Wow, this just to say thank you for this video that I did about my demonetization on YouTube. The love was massive. A lot of person reach out to me for comments, and those that know me personally reach out to me. So I want to say thank you so much for today's video. I see a lot of people telling me I should talk about subscribers. I didn't know that I've not talked about subscribers. Are you sure? I think I'll just go through my page and see. I've not talked about how to get 1,000 subscribers. My bad. I'm sorry if I've not talked about it. There are so many ways for you to get 1,000 subscribers. But today, I'm going to be telling you one that you don't even need to do too much. You just be sitting, relaxing, and you just be getting notification of subscribers daily every time. Yes, it's something that you need to do, and you start getting notification when they see it automatically. They will not know, they'll just click it, boom, and you can put it in any of your platform. I can also use it as the same thing of any of your platform. Wait, am I too fast? I don't know. All I'm saying is that you don't need to go to shorts, or you don't need to do this or beg people to subscribe. This thing that I want to show you, Pere, is a hack, and not everybody know about it. Those that know about it, they are doing it. Even your big creators, they are using it, they are doing it, and you just be wondering, how are they having these subscribers every day, every day? Is what I want to be showing you today. Without being much said, my name is Vibe with Deborah. If this is what you want to be seeing often, click on the subscribe button so you will get notification when my video pops up, so you'll be the first person to see my video. So let's head to my studio so that I will show you the magic that I'm talking about. Ungwanu, let's go. So welcome to my studio. So if you are using system, you just go to your YouTube studio. If you are not, you just go if you are using a phone, you go to your Chrome browser, and then you click on YouTube dashboard. It will take you to this place. So I'm going to just type here, and to just bring me to this place. So I'll just go to this place, and that's all. So what we are doing here, for you to get it, so what we just want to do, we are going to customization. When you get to customization, what we are doing, when we get to customization, we are going to this place, this our channel URL. What did I call our channel URL? So we are going to copy this here. When we copy it here, you go to this place, you go to auto subscribe link generator. So you will see this first one, free YouTube auto subscribe link generator. You click on this. When you click on it, it is completely safe. When you click on it, you put it here, you paste it. When you paste it, it will tell you to generate. Please, the first one, no, there are so many there. The first one, it will tell you to generate. So when it has generated for you, then you copy this link. You copy this link. You copy it. Then when you copy, you go to this place. So when you go to this place, you click on add link. When you add link, you put the URL here. Then you can come and put YouTube here. I want to put it on the first so that this is what they will see. So I want to copy this one here. So I'll just put it here and put Instagram. So this place, I'm going to copy this place here. Copy, cut, and put it here. And put YouTube here. Put YouTube here. So when you are done with that, you publish it. Just publish it to save. It's going to save on When you now go to this your, okay, let's open my YouTube channel now, my own YouTube. You will see it here. When you go to this place, you just see, when anybody click on it, you will just say to just say subscribe, and when they just click on it, they are subscribed already. No need to explain further again. And you can still put this same link on your end screen. So I want to open my page. So look at it now. You can see it here now, because I want it to be the first thing they see. So look at it. So when you click on it, that's why I said I put it in the first place, because I just want it to be the first thing. When they open it, link, they just click on my YouTube like this. So with this link that I've gotten now, I will just can put it on my any platform of my choice. I can put it on my description. So when somebody just click on it, they are subscribed automatically. So when they click on it, it's not asking them, do you want to subscribe or not? They have subscribed already. So you can also do this across your, the same thing that we did. Now we go back, we copy this link here, this link here, this link here. Now let me show you. So you can do that and have this, you copy this and take it to this place, and put it here and generate. So now it has given you this. So let's go down. Automatically this one now, if I put it in any Facebook platform or any platform of my choice, I put it there, automatically they are going to just so and follow me. You can just publish it. If we go to my this place now and see, you see confirm, just are you sure you want to subscribe? So just see, it will just be there. You can copy this link. If I put this link here now, I copy it. Let me show you something. I copy this link now. I copy it now. Let me now do something in any of my video. Let me open this my video that I've just done now.
After you've started posting a lot of shots.
I'm going to just put it here. I'm going to put it here. So we save it. When we save it, let's see what will happen. So you understand what I am saying. Maybe cho. I know they do cho. I know they do cho. Why is it not going? We've saved it. So let's open another this thing and see. Just no. This lady I've got 10. So people are powerful. Their video. You just open it. I've got 10 minutes.
Have you noticed that? I'm not saying that YouTube have officially.
Sure, you see it now. So anybody that click on this something, you see growth, they click on it, they automatically going to subscribe to my YouTube channel. They're just going to subscribe straight up. It's because it's coming to me here. So you can see it. If you just do it, to just ask you to subscribe straight up, you have subscribed on that something that I just showed you now. So just do it automatically. There are so many ways, but this one is an easy way that you have done it and you start getting enough views about it. The same link to where you copy it to, you can copy it, put it on your description. If you are doing your end screen, put subscribers. When they see it, immediately they will just subscribe to your YouTube channel like that. So try this method. It's automatic. You don't need to be going from one place to ask for subscribers. They will keep subscribing to you as they have that link. That link is shown to them. So see you in my next video. Bye.